I bought this organza bags from Amazon. I bought two sizes. This one is ideal for tomatoes, apples, plums, peaches, nectarines, etc. And measures 6 by 8 inches. This is good for bunch of great tomatoes and grapes. So easy to use. Just put the fruit inside. Using both your hands, pull the strings to tighten the pouch. It's done. Make sure that the yarn or the string, this one, the white one, is between the branch and the fruit. It should be on the stalk of the fruit. Pull the string. There it is. I have here 3 peaches. There were leaves at the tip of the branch, so I just removed them and tied them up above the 3 fruits. Another 3 peaches, so I'm going to trim so that I can remove the leaves. I better remove the leaves so that you have a better view of what I'm doing. So 3 fruits are inside the bag. I better use both of my hands. This bunch has 6 peaches. I'm going to remove the leaves first. I'm going to use the bigger bag. There, looking pretty now. This one is mushy. I'm going to remove it. So I'll just bag those 2. I don't bag those that have scars from injury of the wind or whatever. The peach tree looks like a Christmas tree now. Lots of gifts hanging. That's 4 apples in one bag. That one is 3, the other one is 2.